evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Tuesday, November 8th, 2011. The following are examples of trade setups that occur on a consistent basis. These trade setups are described in detail in the trading manual and in the live daily Shark Den. Today we are showing 9 trade setups for a potential loss of 2 ES ticks. The market opened up this morning at 1263.5, represented by this white dotted line. This is called a no trade zone from 9:30 until 9:45, just a period of higher volatility and a period that we don't want to get chopped out in. And the exception to that rule is we will take a trade if it works towards our gap fill. In this case, the gap fill is down around 1257. So at 9:30, it was a little bit questionable, but right at the last minute, I said we're going to go for it. We did target 1 and target 2 for a total of 11 ticks. Coming out of the no trade zone, we did have an opportunity. We had a pullback into our moving average, had an opportunity to get short, thinking we were going to continue to work our way towards the gap fill. Got target 1 off and got stopped out for -2 ticks. At this case, we really should have kept a mindset of staying short, at least until that gap fill or the half gap was completed. In this case, we attempted a long position here, and I took a full stop out of -16 ticks. I think it was just a premature entry. Should not have taken that trade in hindsight, but I'm showing it nonetheless. We then, once we got our movement towards the half gap, it took off so quickly. We do have what's called an expanded trade, and in this opportunity we tried to get target 1, got stopped out for -2 ticks. Since that didn't work out, we thought maybe we'd have a second chance opportunity right up here. Target 1 was hit, got stopped out for -2 ticks, only to see price action work in our favor right down to T2. As price action continued, you could see the chop and the consolidation sideways, a little bit of a pullback. Again, in hindsight, this was really a bad trade, but we attempted a short opportunity. Target 1 was hit, got stopped out for -2 ticks. And then again here, we also saw price action continue in our favor, sold off heavy all the way down into the actual gap fill. Now, an expanded trade we saw here, I did not take it, so I'm going to show it in yellow, even though it did yield 8 ticks. So this is good for training purposes. Go back and look at your trade setups. From right here at around 10:30, an opportunity to get short, target 1 and target 2 hit for a total of 8 ticks. Again, if they're in yellow, I didn't take them in the Shark Den, so I'm not counting them in live. We then had price action work its way through the moving average, had an opportunity to get long, and boom, we got hammered with another full stop out. My general rule is after 2 full stop outs, you stop trading for the day, or if you exceed 2% of your trading account or 5% for the week. We then had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 10 ticks, so I'm just showing you all the trades that did set up and that we did take in the room. And then here at 11:30 till 1:15 Eastern Standard Time, we do have what's called a no trade zone. It's a period of higher volatility, lower volume, and just tends to get choppy, and also give you a chance to get a break, get away from the trade desk for a little bit. Coming out of the no trade zone, we had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 9 ticks, right there, working its way right back up to opening price. And you'll see opening price generally poses resistance or support. In this case, ran right through it like butter, on up to the inside, and here we got pure sideways chop. An opportunity to get short. Target 1 was hit over here, and we got stopped out for -2 ticks. Pretty rough day. We had an opportunity here to get long. This is the final trade of the day. We talked about it in detail in the trade room, and we're looking to get long right there around 1267.25. This is a trade that I took in a simulation mode. I didn't take it live in the room, and this yielded a total of 15 ticks. So all in all, it was a pretty choppy day. I think a lot has to do with the indecisiveness. Again, over in Europe, the Italian president was stepping down. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark trading manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you, and I'll see you in the Shark Den in the morning.